Yes. Buy scrubbing. Our wipe-off, non-toxic pet cage and crate cleaner is so easy, just spray and wipe away. No need to rinse as we don't use harmful dyes, overpowering perfumes or harsh chemicals. Quickly eliminates odor and buildup. Just spray and say goodbye to urine, poop, and any other cage and crate odors with our fast-acting cage spray that cleans and deodorizes. And really works. Perfect small animals. Birds. These guys have sensitive immune systems, and our innovative bird poop remover is specially formulated to be safe for bunnies, birds, hamsters, and you name it. Awesome crate cleaner. It's a pet odor eliminator spray and heavy-duty cleaner that loves to multitask. From small crates to large kennels, keep 'em clean and smelling great all day every day. Safe, non-toxic formula you can trust, gentle, tough, and it works. Our safe formula is bleach-free, alcohol-free, dye-free, fragrance-free and cruelty-free. Just cleaning that you can trust. Top reviews from the United States. Works like magic. This stuff works like literal magic. I have a chinchilla and her trays in the cage sometimes can get pretty gross with urine stains that seep through the bedding. I sprayed this all over the pans, let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, and just wiped the pans clean. And they were spotless, back to looking brand new with no stains or spots or odors. The spray itself is odorless, so there's no harsh fragrance that masks the smell. The spray is also non-toxic, so it can be used to clean everything inside the cage and the cage itself. I highly recommend this to use to clean cages if you have small critters.